Hello children, how are you all? Today we will do one amazing activity. And you know children who have come with us to do this activity? Yes, see children, my favorite bunny. देखो तो ये कैसा दिखता है और इसका रंग कैसा है? Yes, you are correct. It is white and it is very soft. And you know children, what does the rabbit eat? Yes, correct. Rabbit eats carrot. And today we will do rabbit making. So come with me. For this activity, you will need paper glass, glue, black color sketch pen or marker pen, cotton, small oval shape, pink color and big oval shape in white color. Children, first you will take paper glass, then draw two small circle shape on the glass. See children, see carefully and do it slowly. First draw two circle shape, then draw one curved line inside, then fill with black color. Children, this is rabbit eyes. Then you will make triangle shape for nose. Then two curved line like this. In one small curved line like this. Children, your face is ready. Now making ears, you will take two big shape of ovals and two small shape of oval. Then apply the glue on white oval shape and paste the pink oval shape like this. And again apply the glue on white oval shape and paste it on pink oval shape like this. Again put on the glue on bottom side. And take one oval shape and paste the oval shape inside the glass like this. Then again take another oval shape and paste it. See children, this is ears. Children, then apply the glue on bottom side of the glass like this. Take your cotton and paste it like this. Children, see carefully and do it nicely. Again apply the glue and up on the side. Then again paste the cotton in small pieces. Children, after pasting the cotton, you will take two oval shape and paste it on bottom side. See children, your bunny is ready. Wow, it's looking beautiful. Children, you also make your bunny and click the photo and send it to your teacher.
बच्चों, इस पेपर कप का इस्तेमाल आप पेन स्टैंड या पेंसिल स्टैंड जैसे भी कर सकते हो. See children, your paper cup bunny is really useful.
I hope children you enjoy this activity. Bye bye.